Today we will show how to buy shares of Codere Online Luxembourg SA. Using the search, how to buy shares of Codere Online Luxembourg SA. Codere Online operates digital gaming and live casino services, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker CDRO. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CDRO to locate the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches Codere Online Luxembourg SA to avoid similarly named companies. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for CDRO. Confirm the issuer name, market NASDAQ, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next available session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After confirmation, your CDRO position will appear in your portfolio and order history. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to follow the same example.